What's up, trader? Probably you have seen many times that I was talking about trading only candles. Now, this is the simplest strategy you will ever find to trade the market. In fact, this is the strategy that's used by big boys, the professional traders. Big boys, they use the simplest strategy because they knows that human mind cannot focus on many things at a time. The simplest the strategy, the easiest to make the quickest decision possible, as the market is always changing, and if we focus on many confluences we may lose touch on the real trading side. So with that said, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can trade the candle, identify the proper trading opportunity as soon as you look at specific candles in a specific way that big boys trading the market every single day. Now before I begin, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. With that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the simplest strategy you'll ever find. Look at this one here. I'm gonna explain clearly, easily, and then we'll look at chart, quite a few examples straight away. You can use the strategy as soon as you will finish this video. So make sure you stick till the end. Look at this one here. You see there is a level. So what do you need to do first thing when you look at the chart, look at the market, find out the major direction of the trend. This is the first thing you keep in mind. I'll show you how you can find that trend. Once you found the major direction of the trend, wait for the price to reach any important level created by other candles. Okay, so you need to find out an area of value, okay, a level where a couple of times in the past the price came and rejected, so something like that. Okay, the price came, rejected, probably a little bit like that. Okay, not maybe in the same level. Once you found that level, a resistance or a support, wait for one candle to violate that level. One candle that will clearly you see that has gone up, okay, and then closed back below the level. Okay, one clear candle that has violated that resistance level or support level. Now doesn't matter the color of the candle, keep in mind, it doesn't matter either it's a black, green color, it's a bullish candle, bearish candle, pin bar, doesn't matter. The only thing matter is that this candle has to violate this level completely. If this violation in the direction of the trend, that means that if you see that the major trend is down and it has violated the structure and closed back below in the direction of the trend, that is the trading candle. Simple. Why? The reason behind it is that this candle in fact has a lot of liquidity, and that is the strategy that big boys use in their trading. Because when you see liquidity, that means that, see, when the price was ranging in this zone, there is a lot of seller sold this market, and when they sold, retail trader, their stop loss is here above this level. Now when you see one candle has gone up, hit all these people's stop loss, all those sellers turn into buyer, because when you sell, your stop loss is a buy order, and all those candle, all those people who sold put their stop loss, they turn into buyer, and big boys selling to them, and you can sell with the big boys, and that is how you can trade with the big boys. Once you trade with the big boys, you can catch big trades, high probability trades to become a consistently profitable trader. Now let me look at this one here. Now this is the horizontal level in a resistance. It could be a trend line. No matter what, the only thing you need to find out an area of value where you see that the price has created in the direction of the trend, and you need to wait for the violation of that area of value, breakout, and then come back below, closing as a pin bar, a long candle. Doesn't matter. The only thing matter is that it has to be in the direction of the trend, clear violation. Simple, profitable strategy. Okay, now let's jump on to the real chart to see how we can use that strategy in our trading. Okay guys and girls, look at this example on euro dollar. First of all, you need to find the major direction of the trend. Always try to use the daily chart for finding the major direction of the trend. It's easy to understand. Now on the daily perspective, you can see clearly that euro dollar is in a long-term downtrend. You see that it's a very clear downtrending market structure. Okay, moving in this direction, creating series of lower high, okay, long-term downtrend and lower low. So it's a long-term downtrend. You found the direction of the trend is down, so you will be only selling in this market. Now when you look at the intraday time frame, now this strategy you can use in any time frame, but a bit higher time frame is better for the reliable signals. So once you found the long-term downtrend, now look at on euro dollar what happens. See, there is a violation, clear violation of this local structure. Okay, now if you draw a level on this one, what you see that, see in the past this zone acted here from this level. If you look at support here, okay, long-term support here, with that support here and also support here, so it's a long-term support coming to that zone, and the price hit that support, okay, which is acted as a resistance. And once you found that level, the next step is wait for at least one candle to violate the local structure and then come back below. Now see, this is the resistance. Now you see when the price was hitting this resistance, you see the price is still creating a bullish candle, so you will not be entering the trade. Now you can see clearly that which candle in fact violating this level and close back below. Look at this one here. This is what we are talking about, that one candle that you need to wait for that will violate local structure. This is the local structure, you see that. Now as I mentioned earlier, that we will not be trading the structure, we will be trading the candle. What you need to wait for is violation of the level, okay, and then closing back below as a whatever candle. Doesn't matter. The only matter is that we need one candle that will violate the local level, the area of value, and then closing back below, and that is the candle that you will be trading. Once you found that, easily short trade, keeping the stop loss above this high, 1 to 2 rigs to reward, easily you can win the trade without any hesitation. Let's look quite a few examples so that you can understand the strategy straight away right now. Okay guys and girls, so let's look at this example on GBP, JPY. Now what you see, look at this zone here and pay attention to the candles, then you'll understand in fact what I was talking about. Look, the direction of the trend, you can see it's a clearly uptrend, creating series of higher high and higher low. So we found the direction of the trend. Once you found the direction of the trend is uptrend, we will be considering only buying in this market. Now if you closely look at this zone, let me draw this level here, then you will understand what I'm talking about. See, this is the level where acted here as a support zone here, okay, acting here as a resistance. This same level acted here as a resistance, made this move to the downside. Now what happened, see, with that level, when the price was respecting this zone, see which candles violated this level. Look at this red candle, a big move drop, okay, and then with this green candle immediately the price has gone back to that level, and that is the trading candle. Now if you trade this green candle, even as soon as the candle close, okay, with that stop loss below this low with 1 to 2 risk to reward, you easily can win this trade. So the only thing that you need to identify a level, a direction of the trend, and a candle that has violated the level and then closing back below inside the level. Now let's see quite a few examples to understand it clearly. So this strategy you can use in any kind of market structure, trending, ranging, right? Now look at this zone here on Euro AUD. The price is ranging in this zone, right? The clearly defined level here. So let's draw this level, okay, and then we'll see how we can trade candles. Now once you see this level has been created, every time the price was coming to this zone, bouncing back, coming back, bouncing back. Now at some point what you have seen, see these candles here, okay, which candle you think that has violated this level clearly and then close back below? Look at clearly this one here, okay, this doji that I will be trading, and that is what I was talking about, the trading the candle. Now you can see that with this big doji, this one basically crossed the whole levels completely, and then we have seen closed back below as a doji. Now once you have seen this candle, you easily can trade this candle, shorting from here, stop loss above that doji, okay, and easily we can target 1 to 2 ticks to reward ratio. That's a profitable trade, right? Now once you are waiting, you see the same thing has been repeated. You see this doji here again did the same thing. This one in fact cross all these high, okay, and then close back below as a doji. There has been another violation of the same level. So from the same zone you have found another trading opportunity. Now if you do that from here, easily you can win that trade too, right? The only thing that you need to wait for an important level or an area of value to be violated and then trade that candle. Simple strategy, guys. Okay guys and girls, so let's look at this example on dollar yen. See this level here, dollar yen has created, okay, nice looking clearly defined level that acted here as a support. In the past also the same level acted here in the zone as a resistance, support here, resistance here, now acting here as a support. And what you have seen, if you closely look at what you see, that there is one candle, this one has violated all those candle, okay, clearly all those candle, and then closed back above in the range, and that is where the trading opportunity comes. So once you see this candle, once you can identify that candle, you don't need that much time to become a profitable trader. See what may happen, okay? So this is what the power of this strategy, to understand proper candle that has violated an area of value and then trade it with high probability setup. Guys, I sincerely believe that this important strategy was helpful to you. If you find value in it, then don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to watch these 2 videos, will be also helpful to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video.